Hey tech fans, welcome back to Reviews Realm. Today we're diving into the 5 best kitchen scales 2025. From game-changing features to standout performance, these are the must-have products you need to know about. Ready to see which one fits your needs? Let's jump right in. Number 5, Uni Dual Platform Digital Scale. The Uni Dual Platform Digital Scales are a must-have tool for precision-focused cooks, especially those passionate about pizza making. Designed with Uni's trademark attention to detail, these scales offer 2 separate weighing platforms that allow you to measure ingredients with remarkable accuracy. The larger platform is ideal for heavier items like dough, measuring up to 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, in 1 gram increments, while the smaller platform is optimized for precision tasks like weighing salt or yeast, with a maximum capacity of 0.1 grams. This dual platform design makes the scales versatile and ensures consistency, an essential factor for creating perfect pizza dough. A sleek and compact design complements their functionality, fitting easily into any kitchen setup. The bright digital display is easy to read, and the intuitive touch controls make switching between measurements seamless. These scales also offer units in grams, ounces, and milliliters, catering to various recipes and user preferences. The durable, stainless steel platforms are easy to clean, and the scales are battery-operated for convenience, ensuring they're ready to use wherever you need them. While the Uni Dual Platform digital scales deliver on precision and style, they are primarily targeted at those who frequently make dough or need fine measurements in their cooking. Casual users may find the dual platform feature excessive for everyday kitchen tasks. Additionally, the premium price reflects the high level of accuracy and brand reputation, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. However, for pizza enthusiasts and precise cooks, these scales are an invaluable tool that enhances the quality of their culinary creations. Number 4, Zwilling Infinity Digital Kitchen Scale. The Zwilling Infinity Digital Kitchen Scale is a modern and elegantly designed tool that combines precision with style, making it a standout addition to any kitchen. Known for their craftsmanship, Zwilling delivers a sleek, minimalist scale with a tempered glass surface that is easy to clean and highly durable. The scale measures ingredients with impressive accuracy in increments as small as 1 gram, with a maximum capacity of 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, making it versatile for a range of cooking and baking needs. Its slim, compact design allows for easy storage, while the bright, integrated LCD display ensures readability in any lighting. One of the scale's standout features is its tare function, which allows users to reset the weight to 0 after adding a container or additional ingredients. The unit also supports multiple measurement modes, grams, ounces, and milliliters, catering to diverse recipes. An automatic shut-off feature preserves battery life, and the scale is powered via a USB-C rechargeable battery, an eco-friendly alternative to disposable batteries. This thoughtful design ensures the scale is always ready for use, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements. While the Zwilling Infinity Digital Kitchen Scale excels in design and performance, its premium price point may be a consideration for some users. Additionally, the sleek glass surface, while attractive, can be prone to smudges and fingerprints, requiring regular cleaning to maintain its appearance. For those who value precision, durability, and aesthetics in their kitchen tools, this scale is an excellent investment that elevates the cooking experience. It's particularly well suited for avid bakers and culinary enthusiasts who appreciate a blend of function and form. Number 3, KitchenAid KQ909 Dual Platform Digital Kitchen. The KitchenAid KQ909 Dual Platform Digital Kitchen Scale is a versatile and efficient tool designed to meet the needs of both casual cooks and precise bakers. With its dual platform design, the scale offers 2 distinct weighing options: a larger platform with a 10 kilograms, 22 pounds, capacity for bulk ingredients, and a smaller, precision-focused platform that measures up to 200 grams in 0.1 gram increments. This flexibility makes it ideal for accurately measuring everything from flour and sugar to fine ingredients like spices or yeast, ensuring consistent results for even the most delicate recipes. The design is both practical and stylish, featuring a durable, stainless steel surface that is easy to clean and complements modern kitchen aesthetics. The intuitive digital display is easy to read and offers multiple unit options, including grams, ounces, and milliliters. A tare function allows users to zero out the weight for more convenient ingredient measurements, and the scale's dual platform functionality operates independently, enabling simultaneous measurements on both platforms, a significant time saver in complex recipes. While the KitchenAid KQ909 excels in accuracy and functionality, Some users may find the two-platform setup more specialized than necessary for everyday kitchen tasks. Additionally, the scale's relatively large footprint might require more counter or storage space than simpler, single-platform models. Despite these considerations, its combination of precision, dual functionality, and KitchenAid's reputation for quality make it a top choice for serious bakers and anyone looking to streamline their culinary preparation. It's a premium tool that justifies its value for those who prioritize precision and efficiency in the kitchen. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 11-Pound Stainless Steel Food Scale. The OXO Good Grips 11-Pound Stainless Steel Food Scale is a practical and user-friendly kitchen tool designed for cooks and bakers who prioritize precision and ease of use. With a weighing capacity of up to 11 pounds 5 kilograms, and measurements accurate to 1 gram or 1/8 ounce, this scale is versatile enough to handle everything from small baking tasks to larger meal prep projects. Its stainless steel weighing platform is removable, making it easy to clean and maintain, while the sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen aesthetic. One of the scale's standout features is its pull-out digital display, a thoughtful design element that prevents the readout from being obscured by large bowls or plates. The backlit display is easy to read in any lighting, and the unit includes both a tare function to zero out the weight of containers and a unit conversion button for switching between grams, ounces, and pounds. The compact design ensures the scale is easy to store, and its battery-powered operation means it's ready for use anytime. While the OXO Good Grips food scale is highly functional, it may lack some advanced features found in higher-end models, such as app connectivity or dual platforms for precision and bulk weighing. Additionally, the 11-pound capacity, while sufficient for most home cooks, might be limiting for those who regularly work with heavier quantities. However, its durability, accuracy, and intuitive design make it an excellent choice for everyday kitchen use. For anyone seeking a reliable and easy-to-use food scale, the OXO Good Grips strikes a great balance between performance and affordability. Number 1. Escali Primo Digital Food Scale Multifunctional. The Escali Primo Digital Food Scale is a highly reliable and user-friendly kitchen tool that combines simplicity with precision. Known for its compact design and straightforward functionality, this scale measures up to 11 pounds 5 kilograms, in increments as small as 1 gram or 0.05 ounces. It's a versatile choice for a range of tasks, from weighing ingredients for baking to portioning meals for meal prep or dietary tracking. The scale is powered by 2 AA batteries and features an automatic shut-off to conserve power, adding to its practicality. One of the key strengths of the Escali Primo is its intuitive 2-button operation, which makes it exceptionally easy to use. The tare function allows users to reset the scale to 0 after placing a container or bowl, while the unit button toggles between metric and imperial measurements. Its sealed control panel prevents spills and crumbs from interfering with functionality, making the scale durable and easy to clean. Available in a variety of colors, the Primo adds a touch of personality to your kitchen while maintaining professional-level accuracy. While the Escali Primo Digital Food Scale excels in functionality and durability, it lacks some of the advanced features found in premium models, such as a backlit display or app connectivity. Additionally, its 11-pound capacity may not suffice for users dealing with larger quantities. However, its affordability, simplicity, and consistent performance make it a favorite among home cooks and professionals alike. If you're looking for a reliable, no-frills kitchen scale that gets the job done with precision, the Escali Primo is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. If you're interested in buying any of the products we covered today, check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech. See you in the next video.